Welcome back Trek and Riders. Today we are going to see yet another interesting product from Trek and Ride. This is our tank cum tail bag for motorcycle touring. This is a big capacity tank bag for touring. It's actually adjustable. You can adjust the volume of the bag by way of bottom zip. I'll explain how to do that. So this is the overall look and feel of the bag on the bike. If you look at, you can see three magnetic flaps on the side. Each side you will find these three magnetic flaps. Very strong. It is on high speed or off road. Nothing will happen to the bag and it will be stable and secure. Another interesting feature of the bag is this has got a transparent cover. So any kind of paper reference, map or anything, you can keep it here. Or you can even keep your big size phone here. Even a tab you can keep it here, and a velcro closure is here. In addition to that, there is another pouch exclusively for the mobile phone. So this got a inner sleeve like this. You can keep your smartphone here for navigation, and then even you can keep your power bank or battery pack here. So this is the external two transparent pouches. In addition to that, on the side you can see one small pouch each side. So you can keep your goggles or any small tools or any documents. Let us see the main compartment of the bag now. This is the main compartment of the bag. So we have given a partition like this. This is a velcro attachment partition. So in case you don't need this, you can remove it. So the idea of giving this is basically you can keep a hydration bag separately in the bag without disturbing your other stuff. And this panel is also adjustable in case you want to move it towards this side. You know, the bottom and the side wall got a wide velcro panel, so you can move it this way or this way. So this is how it will look like when you keep your hydration bag inside. And the other part you can keep your other stuff like this. We have given an opening here towards the handle. So through this opening you can take your pipe of the hydration bag, and you can take it out. So while riding, you know, it's easy to drink zip water. No need to depend on any bottle or anything. When you sit on the bike and you're feeling thirsty, this can be kept here. When you are not using it, it can be inside like this. The velcro is there, so it will be safe. No muck will get onto the bite valve. So when you're feeling thirsty, you can just take it out. This has a opening like this. You can just pull it open and then sip water while riding. So this is the normal size of the bag. This is more than sufficient for your regular trips. In case you want to carry some extra stuff, you can just open the bottom like this. Full zip closure is there. So once you open it, this overall capacity of the this thing will get expanded. So this will be the size, big size then. So once you expand it, it's even big enough to carry a proper helmet also. This comes with a rain cover like this. So during rain you can just use this one. And it comes with a lot of straps. I'll explain about each one. This is the shoulder strap. So in case you want to carry the bag after taking out from the bag, you can just attach the shoulder strap here like this and just remove the bag like this. Keep the mouth valve inside and you can carry the bag just like any other sling bag. You know, you can just carry it. So this will be easy to carry like this. It's like a sling bag. You can carry it, or you can just put across your body like this. You can carry like this. From the bike, you know, this magnetic flap, since it's magnet inside, this will stick to each other and very comfortable and convenient to carry it. So it won't hang loose. It will be comfortable this way. So let me show you the other straps, the usage of other strap. Time being we are removing this shoulder strap. Okay. So this is the rain cover. So you just put it. Small elastic on the corner like this. So the objective is basically you can, one of this flap you can pull it through that elastic and put it, so that the rain cover won't fly in the wind. So this is the look of the bag with rain cover, and it is secured with this elastic strap. Okay, now let us see another feature of the bag. So far I was telling you about the bag and its usage on a metal tank, with a steel tank. So it's very easy with the magnets on each side. So now you may ask how to attach this on a motorcycle without a metal tank, with a plastic kind of tank. So don't worry, we have a solution for that. See, this bag comes with a lot of straps like this. Okay, I'll explain to you. There are 2 straps like this with one loop in one end. So let's see how to attach this on the bike. Assuming that your tank is not a metal one, steel one, and you have to use this strap, so it's very easy. Any of this pipe, different models will have different anchoring points. So here I am just using this anchoring point. I'll just put a loop like this with the strap. It is straight now, and we have given buckles here. This one is here, or this one is here. You can use either of this one. Suppose expanded mode, you can even use the top one, or even you can use the bottom one now, time being. It's not a problem. So once you take it through this one, it's a ladder kind of a buckle. You just tighten it. So this area is tightened. Extra length you can manage with this small elastic, so that it won't fly away during winds. So this side is secured like this. Similarly, you use these other strap to secure the other side. After that, on the front side, the steering column, again you need to secure it. So there is another longer strap with without any loop, with both end got a cut like this. So here you can attach this one. Just lock one side first. It is locked. What you have to do is you have to take it under the steering. I'll just come to the other side and show you. So you take this fellow out, take it like this around the steering column, and then you come this side and lock it here. So this we have given little longer, depending on you go. For example, some of the sports bikes will have a fairing and all, so you may require a longer version. Depending on the size of your bike, you can just cut off extra length of the strap. So once you do that, so both straps you can adjust, and this also got a secured fit. The extra length can be managed with the same elastic like this. So with these 3 straps you can secure this bag perfectly on any non-metal motorcycle, like plastic, like your KTM or your Dominar. You can easily manage with this bag. For Royal Enfield bikes or this Expulse, on any Harley Davidson or any bike with a steel tank, it's not a problem. You can attach straight away with the magnetic flaps. That's all for today's video. Let's catch up with another interesting video next week.